So warm outside. I was at home all day long because I didn't feel too well.
Olivia,
Edna. This is how big she is. Basically, just as tall as me. Hello everyone. Kitty! Kitty! My love! Kitty, kitty. Hi! Today we were at home with the kids and I filmed a makeup tutorial. I'm just going to Eric, his sister Karina and Paige because they are playing games and I don't even know how late it is. It's about 10 or so. I'm gonna join them now. It's so hot. I'm on my way to my cousin Kinga. And it's really loud, but it's cool.
Olivia.
Look at that thunderstorm. Oh god. I've been on a bike trip with my two cousins today. Just on my way to get my nail fixed because it broke like all my acrylic layer and the nail itself. I was just at the hairdresser, got my hair cut, as you can tell. We're gonna go buy some food for barbecue. Just gonna have some healthy breakfast and I'm gonna watch TV. Today we're in town to do some shopping, but we didn't buy anything yet. Update, we just bought something. What's there? This was this week's vlog. I think it was a week and a half. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next Friday. And if you liked it, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and thank you for watching.